What's up, y'all? Just got off work and I'm about to cook Carl and I some dinner. It's Friday, and here's a little secret. After I get off work, I actually don't like to cook anymore because I'm usually so tired from cooking all day. I don't know if that's a chef thing. Supposedly it is, but sometimes I'll cook on my day off like I did yesterday because I was hungry. But today I'm in the mood. I wanted steak, and my buddy Jeff will agree there's no one who can make a steak better than yourself. I got a couple ribeyes from the grocery store. We're eating it with some rice and some onions. Keep it super simple. Maybe a little sauerkraut with whatever's in my cupboard or pantry, whatever. And that's it. Peace, y'all.